I'm sure you've heard the news. Python has been evolving like crazy. Let's take a quick journey from 1991 to 2020. Python, the high-level interpreted language we all love, was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python version 0, 9.0 hit the scene, and the world of programming was never the same. Fast forward to 1994, we got Python 1.0, introducing functional programming tools like Lambda, Map, Filter, and Reduce. In 2001, the Python Software Foundation was born, dedicated to managing and promoting Python's growth. 2008 saw Python 2.6, starting the gradual shift towards Python 3 with features backported from the upcoming version. Throughout the 2010s, Python 3 gained traction as more libraries and frameworks jumped on board, making the transition smoother for developers. In 2018, Python 2.7 officially became the last release of the 2.x series. And finally, on January 1, 2020, support for Python 2 ended, completing the full transition to Python 3. From 1991 to 2020, Python has come a long way, and its journey is far from over. Keep coding, keep innovating.